In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize slides on Google Slides. We'll walk through working on the mobile app so you can polish your presentation anywhere. By the end, you'll know how to update layouts, style text, format shapes and images, and add useful elements that make your slides clearer and more engaging. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Choose the presentation you want to edit, then double-tap the slide you're working on to enter editing mode. This makes all the on-screen tools active, so you can change layout and content right away. To quickly reorganize your content, tap the layout icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a square divided into smaller sections. Pick a structure like blank for full control, section header to introduce a new topic, or main point for a clean title and content look. Your existing text boxes will snap into the new arrangement, which is a fast way to clean up a busy slide without rebuilding it. Next, let's refine your text. Tap a text box and highlight the words you want to adjust. Then tap the Format icon, the A with horizontal lines. Under the Text tab, choose a font, adjust the size, and set a text or highlight color. If you're exploring styles, select more fonts to browse additional options like Modern Sans Serif and Elegant Serif families. Aim for strong contrast so your text stays readable on any background. While you're here, keep sizes consistent across similar elements, such as all headings or all body text, to maintain a professional rhythm. Switch to the Paragraph tab to fine-tune alignment, line spacing, or to add bullet points. Centered titles with left-aligned body text often look clean, and a touch of extra line spacing can make dense slides feel lighter and easier to scan. For shapes, images, or even text boxes as design elements, tap one to select it. Tap the Format icon at the top and open the Shape or Line tab. Adjust, fill color to set a background inside a box, add a border color for definition, and tweak border weight to thicken or slim the outline. Subtle borders can separate content without distracting from it, while bolder edges can highlight key callouts. Finally, add custom elements by tapping the plus icon in the top menu. Insert images from your photos or camera, drop in shapes like callouts and arrows, draw lines to connect ideas, or place tables to compare information neatly. Use these sparingly to support your message and keep slides uncluttered. That's it. Simple, powerful customization right from your mobile device. Try these tools on a few slides, keep your styles consistent, and your presentation will look sharp and intentional.